Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to use the graphing tool to graph a couple of the midpoints and the conics. So some of you guys have been having trouble doing this. So let's just start off with this one. So number 3, it says to find the midpoint of this line segment, and I did all the work already, and I got 3 comma -7. One thing to really notice is that there's parentheses outside of it, so you don't need to add extra parentheses. What about this one? So this one says plot the endpoints and the midpoint on a rectangular coordinate system. Well, this is a rectangular coordinate system. All you got to do is just plot the endpoints and the midpoint. So what you're going to do not click on the line segment. That's not what they want. They just want you to plot the points. So I'm just going to click on the points. And then here you can write down all the points. So let's write down 0, -9, because that was one of the points that they gave us. So that's one of them. And now I'm going to go ahead and put in another point. My other point is going to be 6, -5. So that's the endpoints. So I got that. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to plot my midpoint. And my midpoint was 3, -7. 3, -7. So then this should be right in the middle. And that's what they want for that one. So I'm just going to submit just to make sure that I got it right. And I did. So this is exactly what they want for these types of problems. Okay, and now let me show you the conics just so that you can see what exactly they want. I was doing this one earlier. So let's say you wanted to graph this circle. Well, you found the center. The center is going to be 0, 4. Oh, 0, -4. Then here, the radius is going to be just 5. Okay, and if you don't know where I'm getting this, just watch the videos on this. And then I'm going to go ahead and graph this circle. So very easy, just going to click on the circle. It tells me what is the center. It's going to be 0, -4. And then what it asks me to do is to pick a point that's on this circle, because there can be many different types of circles. Well, since I know the radius is 5, I can always just move 5 units away from here. So it'll be one point would be 5, -4. Okay, and you can even tell that this has a radius of 5 because you can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units over. Okay. Whoops, I don't know what I did, but okay, so I'm going to submit the answer. Oh, where did it go? It's right here. Okay, so I got this one correct. So that's basically all you're doing. Same thing with the parabola. If you're graphing a parabola, let's say like this one, if you want to, in this case, you can see that the parabola is x equals y, a function of y. So you want to click on the parabola, but since it's going left and right, you want to click on this one. And then all you got to do is put in the vertex and then put any other point that's on the parabola. So if I put, in this case, the vertex will be 7, 1. And then all you got, 7, 1. And all you got to do is just plot choose any point that you want. It can be an x-intercept, it can be a y-intercept, or it can just be any random point. I can plug in x equals 0 and then to figure out what y is. And then that should give you your parabola. So hopefully this was helpful.